Welcome back, everybody. I wanted to give you a little bit more information on this G55 AMG, kind of what we did for the customer on this one because it was pretty comprehensive. We did a full ceramic coating on this beautiful white paint here. So every inch of this paint was covered with ceramic coating, giving it protection from the elements. Super important, but also we did a bunch of work on the front end of this car. So not a lot of people know this, but we do some body work as well. So this actually had a push bar installed, and the actual bumper had some holes in it from the push bar. So we actually completely restored that front bumper, getting rid of all the holes, making it nice and shiny and new again. And we also actually did paint work on this front black grille. So all that black paint work was done in-house as well. So this G-Wagon 2008 is looking like new for the customer, and it's just kind of one of the many examples of the variety of cars that we're working on here. And of course, it's looking amazing. Customer's gonna be really happy with this one. But guys, if you want to see more videos like this, different cars, let us know. Comment what cars you want to see next. We've got a lot coming, including this 911 Porsche Carrera. We're gonna be doing a tune, dyno tune as well, and then I think we're doing front clip PPF and window tint on it. So stay tuned for that because it's gonna be turned into a monster. So we also do tuning. So guys, make sure you follow Wrap Your Ride and myself, and I will see you in the next video.